In this chapter, we'll take a look at basic database operations using PDO. Before you can do anything with PDO, you need to create a database source name, or DSN. This is simply a string that identifies the database you want to connect to. It begins with a prefix indicating the database system you're using. The prefix is followed by a colon and a series of name-value pairs that specify the location of the server, the database name, and any other details needed to establish the connection. Each pair is separated by semicolons. Each database driver uses a different format for the DSN. Let's take a look at a few examples. The prefix for MySQL is MySQL. The driver uses host for the server and DBName for the database. If you're connecting to MySQL on a non-standard port, you need to specify that as a separate name-value pair. The DSN for SQLite 3 is the prefix SQLite, followed by a fully qualified path to the database file. Prefix for Microsoft SQL Server is SQL SRV. The DSN uses server instead of host and database instead of DBName. These are just simple examples that don't cover all available options, such as changing the default character set. You can check which options are available for each PDO driver in the PHP documentation at the address shown here. Although the details for each database are different, only the DSN is database specific. All other PDO code is database neutral. So if you switch databases, all you need to do is change the DSN. Everything else should work seamlessly as long as your SQL doesn't use features unique to a particular database system.